Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the chilling world of Indonesian horror with a movie that's been generating some serious buzz, Dancing Village. The Curse Begins, also known as Badruhi di Desa Penari. This prequel to the record-breaking Indonesian horror film Kekin in Danur Village just hit theaters on 26 April, and let me tell you, it's not for the faint of heart. But before we delve into the terrifying depths of this film, let's set the stage. We've got a chilling cast led by the phenomenal Olia Sara and Modi Efrosina. The trailer itself is a masterclass in building suspense. We see glimpses of a remote village shrouded in mystery, a mystical bracelet called the Kavturiya, and whispers of a powerful entity known as Badruhi. The atmosphere is thick with dread, and the visuals are absolutely haunting. Now, the plot revolves around a young woman named Mila. A shaman entrusts her with returning the Kavturi to the legendary dancing village. But upon arrival, things take a sinister turn. The village elder is gone, and an unsettling sense of unease hangs heavy in the air. As Mila and her companions delve deeper, they uncover the village's dark history and awaken a malevolent force. Here's where things get interesting. Dancing Village, The Curse Begins isn't just your typical jump-scare horror. It weaves a complex narrative that explores themes of tradition, sacrifice, and the consequences of disturbing the natural order. The film also boasts some truly stunning cinematography. The lush jungles and ancient ruins of the village create a beautifully unsettling backdrop for the unfolding horror. What truly elevates this film is the emotional connection it builds with the characters. We see their fear, their desperation, and their fight for survival. There is a vulnerability to them that makes you root for them, even as you know things are about to go terribly wrong. If you're a fan of atmospheric horror films that linger long after the credits roll, then Dancing Village, The Curse Begins is a must-watch. It's a captivating blend of scares, cultural exploration, and a touch of the supernatural that will leave you both terrified and wanting more. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some popcorn, maybe a friend to hold on to, and check out Dancing Village, The Curse Begins. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen it and what you thought. Did it scare the living daylights out of you, or were you left wanting more? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more horror content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay creepy.